Let's go check in on SpongeBob. Oh, hey SpongeBob. I see that you rebuilt your house. Sorry for destroying it last time. It was an accident. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll talk to you later. Good night.
Later that night.
I'm so thirsty. We got nothing but Prime? I'd rather die of thirst than to drink that. What else do we got? Oh, some pineapple juice sounds real good about now. No, I can't do that to SpongeBob. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I need it! Wait, I'm not a complete monster. Good night, my sweet prince. That's so good. What's that in my cup? I think I just juiced Gary. I gotta cover this up before SpongeBob wakes up.
The next morning.
He'll never suspect a thing. Oh, I'm sorry, SpongeBob. I was just so thirsty. I hope you can forgive me.